This crazy driver up ahead is going to get instant karma after messing with a semi-truck. You can see they have their left turn signals on, but watch as they turn right instead and get smashed by the semi-truck. What an absolute fool. Thankfully, the dash cam got the trucker some insurance money. This driver had the green light and was making a turn, when another driver ran the red light and hit his car. She probably wasn't even paying attention. She then immediately lies and says that she had the green light, and she was more than ready to lie to insurance as well. Thankfully, the dash cam saved the day once again, and the dash cam driver was obviously not found at fault. This road-raging pickup truck driver will get instant karma in this video. The guy driving the pickup truck wanted to pass the dash cam car, so he felt the best way to do that was to force the dash cam car over. His pickup rubs up against the dash cam car until karma strikes and he loses control. Off the road he goes. It's poetic how he's the one who ended up forced off the road instead. He then crashes into a barrier, damaging his pickup. You can see his stunt left damage to both vehicles.
Ja pierdzielę! Ja pierniczę, co to było?
Kurwa ma...
Аварийное видео записывается.
Ёб твою мать, блядь!
Hey!
That's stupid. Thank you. Record this. Get your camera on. And that'll be dangerous driving too.
Top 3 dummies of the day.
But known universally as melanin. It is one of the oldest molecules in biology and is found throughout the world.
Go, dude.
It doesn't just color skin, it displays the color of their feathers.
I have the right of way. F you.
What the? Well, that was interesting.
What the? Oh my god!
Top 3 dummies of the day.
What the fuck? Stop! Ah!
Why? What the f is your fucking problem, you dumb?
Just cross. What are you doing? You can't do that. You're blocking the road, man. That's not very good of you.
Didn't flinch away. I'm only a little bit psychic, she said, a gleam in her rheumy eyes. Just tell me where we... Can't...
Morning day 5, still a bit sluggish. I know Elisa's as well.
God damn it.
They just look like yours. I remember you were like, oh my god. Oh my god.
And it ends up there.
Oh!